If you're an IT person at your business and you're responsible for your printers, I know it's not easy. Toner's always running out at the worst time. You're in every single printer problem, and you're always trying to figure out who printed what, where, and when. That's where Managed Print Services comes in. What's going on, YouTube? I'm Keith Metzler, VP of Sales here at Strategic Technology Partners of Texas. Almost. Our MPS software looks at things 24/7, so we're always constantly looking for anything that's out of the normal or just any problems that might come up. And when something more serious pops up, we have technicians always ready to come help. We usually respond within 24 to 48 hours. Managing multiple printers, invoices, and even printer vendors can be a challenge. And we take care of all of that with one easy to read and understand monthly invoice. This really makes budgeting more straightforward. It removes any guesswork and reduces the stress on your office managers and accounting teams. So with STPT's MPS program, that problem really disappears. We have reporting software on our back end and our back end staff that'll automatically ship you toner when you need it the most. To help your IT staff, we can monitor your devices remotely, push out automatic software updates, and fix some problems proactively. Absolutely. With MPS, you get real-time reporting on all print activity. You get things like usage reports and who printed what, where, and when. But it's not overly intrusive. And the best part about it, you set the rules. So many businesses can even reduce color printing costs with MPS by up to 30% simply by having this visibility. You can restrict color printing, set quotas by department, or even check wasteful behavior. If you're a business with any of these 5 pain points, this is your opportunity to look at a Managed Print Services contract.